What's up, CRUZCREW? This is your boy Jay Cruz from the AUDIOCAT channel, man, here with another day, another video. First of all, always want to thank you guys for the support, the love that y'all give this channel. Don't forget to share it to your friends, man, and help us get to 20,000 subscribers, man. We're going to be doing not a raffle, but a giveaway. I'm going to give you guys something for helping me get to 20K, man. So I ask y'all to just always share this video and get it out to you guys, man. Today, we're working on the HELLCAT, man. There's #1 stolen car right now, man. There's dramatically stolen a lot because people are doing a lot of HELLCAT swaps. The transmission worth money, the motor's worth money, the blowers are worth money, and of course, everything else that comes with the car. It has become in a pandemic, man, and really in the car industry, because these cars really are suffering from people having them and parking and, you know, coming out and the cars are stolen. You've probably seen a lot of videos on YouTube of cars being stolen across the nation. People come into Dallas from out of town for different events, and they come into hotels, and in the morning their cars are gone. Daniel, one of our guys, which is a 392 kid, came here to the store, left, went to the gym for 30 minutes, came back, his car was gone. So all these kind of things are happening. So together with 1320 Destroyer Cat 1320, man, shout out to him for coming up with a design that allows us to put a neutral block on the car so they just can't break the window and put the car in neutral as they do. And we're going to install that today with also GPS. GPSs are very important, guys, because if the cars move when you're sleeping, or the cars anywhere that you're at and you're sleeping, you have the chance of being able to find your vehicle, which is kind of what we want to do. I do tell you, for safety, man, if your car does go off, don't go out there. You don't know if these guys are you know, armed up, or if you know what the status is of these thieves when they come to get your car. You don't want to get involved in a shootout or a killing, because then that could be a whole nother different case you have to deal with besides just grand theft auto of your car. But you know, we do want to get our cars back. It's our time, it's our money, second biggest investment we ever do. And to have just somebody come and steal it after you work so hard for it kind of sucks, man. So, you know, so this is going to prevent theft, but it's also going to help you get it back if the car is stolen. Stay tuned to the channel. We go and we're going to be working on Miss AUDIOCAT's car today, installing the GPS for her and also the theft lockout, and get this car a little more secure, man. I mean, you know, one GPS is good, multiple GPS is a lot better. But on this video, we're going to be shooting out to CarLock, man. Their security system is an amazing device that they have given us to be able to help on the recovery of these cars if they're stolen. It's very, very important to have a good security system, and this is a security system because it secures your vehicle. If your car is taken, you can actually track your vehicle, help the police find your car, and get your car back. So shout out to CarLock. There could be a description below. You'll be able to get a discount code on it, so you can find this device on Amazon. It's really pretty easy to install. It's a do-it-yourself device. With the discount code, you will be able to get a discount on the purchase of it and get it going for your vehicle and get yourself secured. So it's very important, man, that you you know, take time and effort. Don't wait to buy these devices. Sometimes you wait and it's just too late, and that's what you don't want to have. So today we're going to be getting this one. I'm going to walk you through the product first that we're installing, and then I'm going to walk you through also how to install it, how easy it is as a do-it-yourselfer, and also the lockout on this beautiful Dodge Charger HELLCAT. Stay tuned. Alright, CRUZCREW, so in this video, like I said, we're going to be using the CarLock design. It works for Apple. As you can see, it also works for Android. This allows you to be able to get your vehicle back if it's stolen, man. It's very important that you take the time and effort to be able to secure your own vehicle. Nobody can take care of your car but you. So on this device, it's going to let you get into having a real-time GPS tracker. What does that mean to you? That simply means that you'll be able to see live where your car is located at all points of time. If it's on a tow truck, if they stole it, if they parked it, or whatever's going on with your car, you'll be able to get on the application and find your car and track it down immediately in real time, which is important because time is of the essence, man. If you ever watched the show Real 48, if they don't get it in 48 hours, man, they're probably not going to get it. And when it comes to murder, with the same thing with your car. When they take these vehicles, #1 thing that they do, they park these cars in apartment complexes approximately a mile away. When they do that, they let the car sit to make sure that the owner doesn't have a GPS in the car and doesn't have the car taken from that location to where they chop these cars up and have a ring operation and actually find the location where your car is being chopped up at. So that's why they got these installed, and they park them in apartment complexes. From the history that we've seen of cars being stolen here in Dallas that we've been able to help recuperate, that's what they do. So this actually gets you to be able to find your car and get it back to your possession. Pretty simple build. They sent you the unit itself. This is the unboxing of the device right here. It's pretty simple. You're going to open up the device, has a security tab on it. Look at the instructions and the code that's on it right there for these units. And then it's pretty simple because it's an ODB style plug. So this unit right here, pretty much going to go into your ODB plug. It grab power, ground all the signals it needs from there to be able to track the vehicle. Along with this, they also give you an ODB extension. Now, I am going to tell you something I've done on my builds, on my personal cars. We actually relocate all of this, right? But this actually going to be, we're going to plug in one side to your ODB, one side to the device like this. And when it plugs in like this, now you have a real live tracker on your vehicle, allowing you to track your vehicle. So I'm gonna get this to a technician, have them do the installation of this unit so you can actually see how it gets done. And just don't forget to buy it, man. And like I said, in this video, on the bottom in the description, there's gonna be a discount code that can allow you to get a discount when you purchase your car lock device. It's from AUDIOZONE. I want to shout out to them for sending us out here to give you guys a demo and get this word out there of this great product that's actually working in recovering vehicles, man. So I'm gonna get right to it. Let me get this to the technicians and I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on. But before I do that, let me also show you the part that Destroyer CAT 1320 has invented. All right, CRUZCREW. So what I was talking about, the theft deterrent system that they have invented is going to be Destroyer 1320, man. He came up with a little pretty clever idea, man. But this device here, actually you see it reinverted middle. It does say where the front is. When this goes installed, it stops them from being able to get to the car and popping into neutral. Shout out to Destroyer 1320 on that. Now I'm gonna take you to the vehicle. We begin to get this installed, and you can see exactly what it does, how it works, and what it's gonna stop them from doing to your car, but also how the GPS is gonna work and allow you to track your vehicle real time with this device. Stay tuned. So the first step I'm going to show you on the charger is going to be how to install the GPS. Now I am going to suggest in the bottom link of this video some other stuff that I like to install, which is going to be an ODB splitter, allows you to get the factory ODB splitter and add other devices to it, but still have access to your original ODB if you ever need some service. But at the same time, an extension wire that goes to the other side, because they just can't get to your ODB that fast. But this is pretty simple, y'all. And these chargers, right down here, there's the ODB plug, so it's pretty simple to get to. You got to push the brake down. And if you press the two tabs on the side, you can actually get this wire and bring the ODB plug out. So you can see it's very simple. I don't know if y'all can see the ODB I pulled out here. At that point in time, all this is going to do is just come right in here, plug into this unit here, and this will begin to get power and be powered on for your tracking. That's how simple this is. You can actually hide this in your vehicle, which I am going to do so. I'm not going to show you in the video because they come after my car. They're going to know how to do it, right? But I am going to get this hiding and get this separated from the vehicle so they can't get access to my car that fast. But that's how easy the GPS is to install. It's really a plug and play. You don't even have to do this if you want to. You can actually just take this and actually plug it directly to the ODB if you like to too. If you don't mind having a box sticking down there, then you could do that too, but it's more obvious that it's installed and they're going to just take it off when they get to the car. So I prefer the extension mount. Get this installed. Boom, plug in my unit. And once it's locked in, everything's locked in, this will be working. So I'm gonna go and hide this real quick and I'll be back with you in a few seconds. All right, CRUZCREW, so this is where we at now. Now we're at the GPS is installed. Now we're gonna show you how to install this lockout. Y'all probably seen another video, but I'm gonna show it to y'all again. This is a Dodge Charger, you can see SRT. We're gonna show you how to get this lockout installed. It's not that hard, but you know, if you're technical, you can get it done. So first step is to remove the center console there. I'm gonna see if Isaac can get that done for us. Boom, boom. So you take out the plastic from the front. Take out that piece right there. Pops out the little security tab in the bottom right there, which gives you, this is what they grab when they steal your car, y'all. Hold on, let me show you. This is what they grab when they steal your car. When they get this, they push it up and your car is now in neutral. This block is gonna stop that from happening. So I'm gonna separate the center console real quick for y'all. Now he gets into location, and just like that, we'll be able to install this new box here. I'm gonna show you where it goes and how it works, y'all. Let me get inside the car for y'all. The inside, this is what it looks like in there, right? There's a bolt back here. There's another bolt in the front. He's gonna go ahead and loosen those two bolts, install this lockout, and that'll stop us from being able to access this block. So I'm gonna literally unscrew that screw right there. And you're gonna do the other one in the front. A little more tricky, you have to kind of move these things around to get it done. I don't like to remove these things, neither do the techs. So you're gonna grab it in there with a little socket, remove that bolt. And now install the lockout. It tells you where the front is. You put the front going front, put it back in location. And just like that, you should be able to help yourself not lose your $60,000+ car to a car theft. It's really that easy, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. He's going to reinstall the screws back in their location, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Stay tuned. The device is installed. Now you see that you no longer have access to that neutral safety switch thingy, the neutral release here. So this is what it does, man. It protects you, you know what I'm saying? And if they take this off, they still got to unscrew and everything. In that time, a thief don't want to be in your car, so they're definitely going to be out of your car. Let it go. That could take care of this. Now I'm going to walk you through the activation process. All right, so when you get to the website, it's going to be mycarlock.com/C. Well, actually, they give you a faster website. It's going to be activate.carlock.co. When you get that, it'll bring you here. You're going to come and scroll down to the bottom. You're going to hit accept. And then it can ask you for the activation code, which I'm going to punch in now, and the device. Hold on. So I have to go into the whole activation process and getting everything situated and done, man. Now I got my phone ready with the GPS. So right now you can see exactly where the vehicle is located. It's going to give you a lot. You can go satellite views if you want to. You can go hybrid views if you want to. You could actually do all this. You can lock the vehicle down. If you're going to be secured and you don't want nobody moving your car, you could do that. You could actually come and zoom in, zoom out. When you hit lock, it gives you a geofence. So if anything happens to your car within that range, it lets you know. You'll be able to check speeds and everything else in the vehicle at that point in time. But this is just showing you exactly what's going on with this car right now as it's sitting there. So that's pretty much the process you go through to get this all activated. And at this point in time, she is done, man. So this car will have this GPS, this lockout. It should be a little bit more secure. But again, guys, if they really want the car, they got to take it. So, you know, there's just steps you can do to prevent it and hopefully get your car back, man.
Hi, CRUZCREW. So I'm going to end this by saying that I'm really shocked and amazed with the car lock security system that they have sent us. It is a GPS tracking device, but it's a lot more than what it is. Let me tell you what happened. So when I got the car installed, it asked you what kind of car it is. I set it up. It was a Dodge Challenger, a Charger, I'm sorry, on that one. And we got the unit installed. What got me really shocked and amazed that I saw that it kept on saying that it was going to be marrying to the vehicle or loading to the vehicle. After about 24 hours, it did that. And my God, I have to give them thumbs up. This is something we're going to be selling in my store. So what it did different is that instead of just being a regular GPS where you have to have other things attached to it, it's a standalone GPS unit, but it's also an alarm system. It actually went and allowed me to be able to lock the car. So when the vehicle's parked, I can hit lock on the app. It actually locks the car. If anything happens to the car, if they vibrate the car, which means that they're trying to break a window, lift up the vehicle, open the door, anything that has to do with vibration to the vehicle, it sounds an alert on my phone immediately, very loud, and tell me that the car is being tampered with. If the car is started, it actually tells me that. On top of that, as my son and my wife were driving the car the next morning, I forgot to turn off the lock feature. I got alerted when they opened the car, when they opened the door, when it was vibration detected, when they were driving the car, where they were at. So it was a truly amazing experience that I am actually giving them a 5-star review on this device, because it works a lot better than what you're thinking of being just a stock GPS unit. It is a lot more. The link is in the bottom of this video, and I do suggest you put the discount code so you can save some money on the purchase here on Amazon. It's going to be listed below. It's going to be AUDIOZONE, AUDIOCAT discount code. Put that in there and order yours today. It's really easy to get installed. If you don't know how to install it, call the shop. We're more than happy to help you. If you're local, you want to get installed, we're more than happy to help you with that too. We're going to do some advances on the installs in the shop, where we'll be hiding the ODB2s and doing a battery backup to it. But other than that, they really got my 5-star review. So go down below, hit that link, order yours from Amazon, use the discount code, save some money, and secure your vehicle today. It was an amazing experience, y'all. Y'all be good and peace.